This is Subaru Legacy. I'm going to show you how to find the fuse and relay box. First thing you're going to do is open up the door. The left side here, that's where you're going to rest your left foot. You're going to see this little car with the hood open on it. And underneath there, so you're reaching way under. So you're going to come way to the back of it. You're going to pull forward. You'll hear a pop in the front. Now after you've pulled that hood latch, open the hood, pull them down, slide to the left. And this opens right up. Now after you've opened the hood, what you're going to do is you're going to come to the car. You're going to look to the right here. You're going to see the battery. And right behind the battery, that black box right there, that's the fuse and relay box. I'm going to show you how to open that. So this is quite easy to open. There's actually a little tab you're going to push here, and then there's one on the back side. You're just going to take both of those. You're going to pinch both of those, one with your thumb and then one with your middle finger. Squeeze, lift up, and that will remove the cover to your fuse and relay box. Once you're here, you can see you have all your fuses and relays. If you're having an issue with, say, the interior lights or the blower motor, and you're not sure if it's the motor, if the motor's making a lot of noise when it's running, obviously it's the blower motor, but say it's just not working, or the interior lights all of a sudden aren't working, or your cigarette lighter's not working, something along those lines, you can come up here and these are your fuses. You can always take a fuse that is a non-needed component for running your vehicle, and you can swap, say, this 20 amp fuse and this 20 amp fuse, or this relay and this relay, just to see if you can get those essential parts to work, or the part that you're just trying to check. And then another nice feature is on the bottom of this cover, there's actually a diagram for all the fuses and relays. I'll try to get a picture of that for you. When we go to put this cover back on, you'll see there's a little loop there in the back. We're actually going to put that in the back. Come here to the front, and you're going to push down. Make sure that that's seated, and then I'm going to go around the back of that loop and make sure that that's in there tight. This actually doesn't seat as nice as the most fuse and relay boxes, but that's how you get it back on. Pull up, make sure it's tight, and you should be good to go. Pushing and